Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, I'll walk through a simple example of calculating net factored wind uplift on a roof using the National Building Code of Canada. We start by identifying the basic wind information for the building, including the importance level, the hourly wind pressure for the location, and the height of the structure. Next, we determine the exposure effect based on the surrounding terrain and the building height, using the code-specified expressions and applying the minimum limits where required. Once the exposure is established, we calculate the internal wind pressure by combining the wind pressure with the exposure effect, the gust effect, and the internal pressure coefficient, considering the full range allowed for a Category 2 building to capture the worst-case uplift condition. We then calculate the external wind pressure in a similar way, using the appropriate gust effect and roof pressure coefficient based on the roof geometry and zone. Finally, the internal and external pressures are combined to determine the governing net uplift acting on the roof, which is the value used for design. This step-by-step approach keeps the calculation transparent and fully aligned with the code requirements. In the next step of this video, I'll walk through creating a Calcpad script to carry out the same calculation, so you can follow along as we go. The main benefit of using Calcpad is how clear and readable the calculations are compared to Excel, making it much easier for someone else to review and validate your work. This is a critical aspect of good practice in structural engineering and other engineering fields. So now, just sit back and follow along step by step. I've also added the Calcpad script to my GitHub account in case you want to download it and modify it to suit your needs.